Sirkal okoni gi geto chenro mongirore mar kedo motegno kod njore mag mbui. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar rita kwe Dr. Raymond Molo kalose kinde nyasi mar yango juma mar kedo kod njore mag mbui. Nyasi mano bagi mbarany ma Nairobi kone jo Kenya mondo mi oko maloso eka yud kaka hinyal konygi e kinde ma uso ne giluoro e mbui. Molo koni mbui mar sirkal mar e-citizen ne ande achude monjo kendo mane kaka Kenya ne koro mako motegno weche mag tieko wechego mag mbui kata njore mag mbui e pacho kae.
Conducted. Ladies and gentlemen, to guide us on this particular conversation, please, if you'd be so kind, Africa 2024.
We absolutely have you here. Thank you. At times, I met someone who actually establishing the cyber security centers of excellence. These centers will enhance our workforce, unify our efforts to protect our cyberspace and foster collaboration between government, the private sector, and international partners. Additionally, we must establish coordinated efforts, response structures, and regulatory clarity in this rapidly evolving environment where innovation and cybersecurity meet. And this is one of the most rapidly evolving spaces we operate in. So that what you think is a major breakthrough today, when you think about it a month or a year down the line, you are left wondering what is coming next.
As we are aware, cybersecurity has evolved globally into a fundamental component of national security, business operations, and even individual privacy. This means that everyone needs to be involved and also informed about cybersecurity.
The school is committed to creating a secure cyber environment that will be supported by policies and framework that will foster trust and safeguard our citizens.